Here's a recipe for a smoothie that may help boost sexual health. Libido boosting. Smoothie ingredients: 1 cup pomegranate juice, 1 cup fresh strawberries, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon maca powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt optional for added creaminess and protein, 1/2 cup ice optional. Instructions: add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Benefits: pomegranate juice, rich in antioxidants. Pomegranate juice can improve blood flow and erectile response. Strawberries, high in vitamin C, which can boost libido and reduce stress. Banana contains bromelain, an enzyme that can help increase libido and testosterone levels. Honey, known for its aphrodisiac properties and ability to boost energy. Maca powder, a well-known natural supplement for enhancing libido and sexual performance. Chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they can improve heart health and blood flow. Spinach, high in magnesium, which can help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow to the genitals. Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics for overall health and energy. This smoothie combines various ingredients known for their positive effects on sexual health, providing a tasty and nutritious way to potentially enhance your libido and overall sexual well-being.